Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new commercial refrigerated display units. Brand on this unit is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Model on this unit is the LC150A. LC150A. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the unit out for you. I'll also measure the inside, starting with the length. We're going to be looking at a total of 19.5 inches, 19.5, front to back. You're looking at a total of 20.5 inches, 20.5. And the overall height for this unit, you're looking at a total of 45 inches high, 45. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you the inside for this refrigerator. On the inside, you can locate shelves for this unit. You have a total of 3 shelves provided for this unit. Also, there is going to be a drain on the very bottom for this unit. On the very top, we can locate our fan. Also, we have our temperature adjuster. Temperature control adjuster is located on the inside. And we also have our switch for the lighting. There's going to be lighting on the top of this unit. Okay, now inside measurements. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 14 inches. Left to right, you're looking at a total of 16.5 inches. Okay, and the overall height, you're looking at a total of 28.5 inches, 28.5. Okay, I also want to show you the back of this refrigerator. On the back, we can locate our plug. It is a standard US plug located on the bottom. Okay, now also we have a sticker on the top, which will show you all the specs regarding this refrigerator, including certification. The unit is certified by the health department, so you can locate that certification on there. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on this one glass door refrigerated unit. If you're interested in one of these models, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. If you have any other questions regarding this model, you can also give us a call. I'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.